Hi guys. Let's start with Propeller ads. If you want to make money with Propeller ads, just follow these steps. 1. Join Propeller ads. 2. Download the script. 3. Download the PHP file to the root of your domain, your domain.com web link. 4. Change the ID with your Propeller ads ID. 5. Run the script by visiting your domain.com web link. Features. 1. Hidden script. 2. Auto-set user agent, refer, listener, cookies. 3. Define your income per day. It is recommended not to exceed $50 per day for this script to work. 4. You can edit this script to exploit another pop-up program. The sponsorship program. Once approved, you will have your personal referral link in your dashboard. When someone signs up using your link, you will get 5% on their future earnings. This is a commission for life. An easy source of income to win. How to attract users to Propeller ads. There are several ways. Here are some of them. Friends and colleagues. Banner or text links. On a blog or website, the most important position above the fold, be the space before any scrolling. Blog about Propeller ads. Social networks. Use forums, news groups, and comments. Could we maximize our income? 1. Explain Propeller ads to potential publishers in your region or country. Eliminate the language barrier. For active people, contact website owners and talented and motivated individuals in a professional and friendly way. 2. Look for quality. You win when they win. Kind, webmasters, developers, marketers, etc. 3. Give advice and teach them how to explode their income. This will help build trust for success. Register now. That's all for today. See you in another video.